the word, YouTube? Back at it with another video. Today I'm gonna be giving y'all a POV. It's gonna be a POV video, late night POV. You know what I'm saying? Look at this dumb person right here. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be giving y'all a late night POV. I'm just about to get on the highway, drive around, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna see where this goes. It's my first one, so I don't really know what to say. Usually in these POVs, they be chatting, but I don't really know what to chat to y'all about. I guess I can talk about what I got coming up for the car. I just spoke with my people. I just spoke with my wrap shop, and I'm getting ready to get the hood rewrapped because I'm not happy with how the product turned out. So I'm gonna be getting that redone, and at the same time that I'm getting that redone, I'm also gonna be getting the M5 bumper put on. So yeah, that's pretty much it as of right now. And then sooner or later we're gonna get the tent done. Yeah, sooner or later we're gonna get the tent done. Can't really do no pull for y'all. It's hard for me to do pulls because what's the word, y'all? My bad for all the excess wind noise. I didn't know it was gonna be that loud. I'm getting ready to roll the windows up in a second, but it's my first POV, so I'm still learning, whatever. So back to the video. I'm not really gonna be able to hear nothing. Cause I got the stock exhaust on here, so y'all probably not gonna be able to hear none of the car. Actually, I'm probably not gonna ever get the exhaust done on this car. Just off the simple fact that for this model, there's not really a whole lot of them. But if y'all do know some exhausts, definitely link them down in the comments below, because I for sure will cop. No cap. No cap at all. But yeah, man, I'ma just let y'all enjoy the ride, I guess. I'm not gonna be sitting here talking y'all head off. They got like this construction going on right here. I mean, it's been going on for the longest. It's not even gonna be done until like August. Caused so much traffic on here. If y'all in the local St. Louis area, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about here on 70. Also, let me know, y'all, if I should invest in getting a GoPro. I mean, the phone is cool, but like, I don't know if the GoPro will make it better. Obviously, it'll be easier, you know, for me to get some obviously it'll be easier, you know, for me to record the POVs. Cause like the phone is kind of a hassle, especially since I don't have paddle shifters. I don't know how to it's kind of hard to like hold the camera and shift at the same time, because I gotta shift all the way down there. But in the van right here. Low-key just put gas in the car, and look, I'm already like running down. I will say this car actually does pretty good on gas. I won't even like sit here and I'm not even gonna sit here and try to make things up like it don't do good on gas or nothing, but I get almost about just about 400 miles. But it does pretty good on highways too. It's like about 25. You get about like 25 per gallon. So also last night I just did the oil change. I wasn't able to record it because I was kind of doing a lot, and it was so hard for me to record stuff because I was doing a lot. This is my first time doing an oil change. My bad, y'all. My camera cut off. But what I was saying was this was my first time actually doing an oil change myself, so it was really hard for me to like pick up the camera and record stuff because I was like taking my time and I was doing research at the same time. So, you know, I just wanted to make sure everything was right instead of prioritizing like recording everything. And you can't even see the water. It's so dark. Can't even see it. But yeah, we just got that done. The next thing as far as like maintenance goes, that I need to get done on the car is the brakes. The front rotors are like warped, and yeah, it's giving like a, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it in the video, but it's making like a lot. It's giving like the steering wheel is shaking and the brake is shaking, the pedal itself is shaking, and it like makes the whole front of the car shake whenever I brake. So that is the next thing as far as maintenance that I need to get done. I'm thinking about actually doing those myself. I'm not gonna lie. Just off the simple fact that I can save so much money just doing it myself. And on top of that, I do want to go get them painted or powder coated. So I might just do it myself. If I do, I'm gonna try to record it, but I mean that's probably gonna be another tedious process that I'll try to record as best as I can. It's so beautiful driving at night. Y'all better say bless you in the comments. It's so beautiful driving at night. It's so peaceful and quiet. The only thing I hate is this car is a mess because I always drive at night. Like I just uploaded a video of me going and getting the car cleaned up and washed, and it's not even 2 days later and the car's already like filthy. Not the whole car, but like the windshield and like the front, like the grill and stuff and the headlights. I wish I could roll the windows down. I don't know if that's too loud for the video. This light, yeah, this light's red. Oh, never mind. It's like it's so quiet. It's so quiet out right now. Alright, y'all, I had to stop at the gas station because I was running out of space to record. I gotta free up some space so I can record these videos, but I'm gonna go park up. Real quick, and then I can end this video. I'm gonna give y'all as much authentic footage as I can. I'm gonna try not to cut too much of this. This video. This person is coming. I'm gonna try to keep this video pretty raw and uncut, just off the simple fact that it's a POV. It's supposed to be y'all watching me drive, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up right here. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want some more of this content. Like somebody was doing something here. But yeah, y'all. Let me know if y'all enjoying the build too. Yeah, we definitely got more coming for sure. So, yep. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.